What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be collabing with my girl KEEKS Life, and we did this back to school look. As you can see, y'all make sure y'all go check her video out after this one. I will leave the links in the description box below. Also make sure you check her channel out. She does lifestyle, beauty, and commentary, and make sure you spam her video with Deja sent me so that she know our fam is sending love. So first I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, and I'm just going to take a little bit and rub this all over my face, making sure that I'm getting in all the pores, especially around my T-zone area because that's where my pores are kind of bigger. So now I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. It's just a clean color pencil, clean as in K-L-E-A-N, not C-L-E-A-N. But it's just the clean color pencil in the color dark brown. And I really like pencils instead of dip brow because pencils, I don't know, for some reason I have better control with the pencil than I do with a dip brow. So I'm just going to fill this in really quickly. So now that my eyebrows are all filled in, I'm going to take my Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the color Rich and a small flat brush, and I'm just going to use this to clean my brows up a bit. So now that my eyebrows are all carved out, I'm going to use this buffer brush just to blend in some of this concealer. So now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm just going to take the same concealer from earlier and just put a little bit on my eyelids. And using that same buffer brush, you're just going to blend that out. Now to set that concealer in place, I'm just going to take a damp beauty blender and a little bit of the Laura Mercier powder in the color Deep, and I'm just going to put this on top of that concealer. So now I'm just going to go into my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use this color right, eeny meeny. I'm going to use this color right here just because it's more natural and it's closer to my skin color, so it's not like a dramatic look. I'm just going to take this brown color right here and a big fluffy brush and just put this all over my lids, just to give our lids a little bit of color. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm just going to apply my lashes off camera. But if y'all want to see a video of me applying false lashes, make sure you leave a comment down below and I got y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the color 470, and I'm just going to shake it up real good and then apply this all over my face. And now I'm just going to use a wet beauty blender to blend this out. So now that that foundation is all on, I'm just going to take that same concealer from earlier, the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the color Rich. And I'm going to use this to slightly highlight my T-zone. Not too much, just because like when I think of a going back to school look, it's more of a no makeup type of look, if you get what I'm saying. So I don't want it to be too dramatic, so I'm just going to like slightly highlight the areas on my face. So yeah. So now that we're done with that, we're going to take that same powder from earlier in a little angled fluffy brush like this. And I'm just going to set that in place. So now I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Bare Pro pressed powder in the color Cocoa number 30. And I'm just going to take that and kind of blend in everything together for a more flawless look. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush like this to blend it all together. Back into the James Charles palette, if I can get it open. And I'm gonna use this dark brown color. I think this one is No Beans, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know where my sheet is to tell me all the names of the colors, but I'm just gonna use No Beans, and I'm just gonna use that to contour my cheekbones just a little bit. I'm also gonna use that color to contour the sides of my nose. Okay, so now that I added all this powder to my face, I'm just gonna take my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray and I'm gonna spray this all over my face just so that my face won't dry out and I won't look like a Sahara Desert. Going back into the James Charles palette, like y'all, this is really a one-stop shop, so y'all should really invest in this palette. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way, but I wish he was paying me to say this, but he's not. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with this shade. I think this one is called Face. This shade right here, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone and my cheekbones. So I'm going to line my lips with just a brown pencil and then go over it with a nudish pink lip gloss. Alright y'all, so that is it for the face. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to this head because up under here it is a hot mess. Okay y'all, so this is the hair that I will be wearing for this video. This hair was sent to me by ft.Eullair hair on AliExpress, and I hope I'm saying that right. I'll put the name on the screen like right here, and I'll also leave the link in the description box below. So if y'all want to look at the website and look at some hair they have, you can definitely do that. They sent me 3 bundles and a closure, and I use that to make a wig like this. And excuse my foundation right there, that's all that is. And I just made a wig or whatever, and yeah, I have the inches 20, 22, 24 and an 18-inch closure. And yeah, so this is the hair. I attempted to curl it, but then I decided not to, so I had just brushed the hair, and then that's why it looks like the way it looks like. Kind of right here you can kind of see where I tried to curl it, but then at the top I didn't curl it at all. So we're about to curl it now for the video.